First of all, zeeve is an infrastructure automation.
पहले आप अपना नाम बताइए. तो सबसे पहले आप अपना नाम बताइए और आपकी क्रिप्टो जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई और ये zeeve क्या है, तो वन बाय वन.
So, first of all, zeeve is an infrastructure automation.
पहले आप अपना नाम बताइए.
मेरा नाम है संकल्प. I'm one of the co-founders of zeeve. I take care of all the engineering that zeeve does. And what it is basically it's a platform for infrastructure automation for all Web3 applications. So it doesn't matter कि आप public space पे हैं या enterprise space पे हैं. Everybody needs to manage the infrastructure, manage the services, and we're basically like the AWS of Web3. How our journey started was कि 6-7 years back हमने बहुत सारे blockchain projects करने start करे खुद से, and we found there are a lot of difficulties that every Web3 company faces themselves in terms of cost, in terms of time to market, and we thought कि let's build an automation tool ourselves which can cut down all of these problems and can solve the issue of projects being failing so much and increase the blockchain adoption. So we came up with zeeve as a product that can solve all of those things. We saw its internal value and then we saw its commercial value, and that's when we put it out to everybody out saying that this platform, use it for your own Web3 application. Doesn't matter if you're building something on Ethereum or Polygon or Binance or Avalanche or Polkadot, of all things, you can use one platform for all of it. That is how we built it.
सो बेसिकली इट्स फॉर द बिजनेसेस की जो भी ऑटोमेशन पे आना चाहते हैं. तो जैसे Web2 के अंदर आपने बताया कि AWS का यूज़ होता है, तो AWS का यूज़ तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों के लिए होता है, लाइक क्लाउड सर्विसेज के लिए भी, होस्टिंग के लिए भी, और कहीं ना कहीं स्टोरेज के लिए भी, आई वुड से, या शायद मैं गलत हूँ. तो क्या आपका भी प्रोटोकॉल फाइल कॉइन की तरह है या फिर आपका मेन जो फोकस, क्योंकि फाइल कॉइन का तो स्टोरेज के ऊपर ज़्यादा है, फिर उसके ऊपर लाइट हाउस हो गया जो उसी के ऊपर काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, तो आपका मेन AWS की तरह क्या ऑटोमेशन है या फिर और भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, और आपको रीच आउट कैसे करें अगर कोई भी प्रोटोकॉल या बिजनेस आपको देख रहा है?
Yeah. So first of all, we have a line of products within our platform. That's correct. One of our offering is कि आप RPC API endpoint create कर सकते हो for Ethereum, Polygon, Binance. Just choose your protocol of choice and you can create an RPC endpoint in just a click. We have our free packages available to anybody who signs up and start using it. So it's very economic that way. We've got dedicated nodes, so whoever wants to deploy a dedicated node for themselves, they can again choose a protocol. They can set up their nodes, they can set up their dedicated networks in a couple of clicks. They can monitor their nodes for block height and for seeing the number of peers, CPU, RAM, all of that is present within our stack. Then we've got distributed file system storage. Like you can use IPFS service within our platform, where you can use our platform कि आप IPFS protocol के through अपनी files को store कर सकते हो in a decentralized way. So like Filecoin, we use IPFS protocol, public protocol for file storage. We provide blockchain data APIs. We provide as well as RPC API endpoint. So all of these combination of services we provide into one platform, and that's why we call ourselves AWS of Web3.
So it's a one-stop solution for all the automation needs as well as some of the storage needs for all the. So like what are your competitors and what are your USBs, like, because everyone is doing some of the same stuff, like just asking. So what are your USBs and what are your competitors, like you are doing better than them, so if you want to highlight some of that.
Sure. So first thing I'd say something to be proud of is that our team, our leadership fully based out of India, were the first one who came up with such a product. So Alchemy, quick note, all the competitors came much after than what zeeve started off with. We came from enterprise side, much like how AWS also initially started to take off, and we have a lot of enterprise customers today, and we're already getting more of them. So a lot of Fortune 500s, banks and telecom providers, a lot of those companies are working with us for managing their infrastructure through zeeve. So we've got a lot of enterprises. Just a year back or so, we also expanded ourselves to public protocols. So now we're getting to a space where people are getting to know us for public protocols also, and we've got about 20,000 plus developers on board as of now, and they're using our platform globally. Much of our customer base is from US, from Europe, Middle East, Australia. Even now in Hong Kong as well, we've just created some good partnership with BSN and with Tencent Cloud. So we're penetrating into that space really well also. The one thing I would say is different than what our competitors are is also that first of all, we have one-stop platform for Quick Note, Alchemy, Pinata, all of this combined into one platform. That's one distinction factor. Second is that our performance is is the best out there. Nobody can rival us. Our customers have done the performance comparison, and they've come back to us with the reports of what we are providing. Our Bring Your Own Cloud feature allows us कि अपना खुद का cloud भी set up कर सकते हो zeeve पे, so you don't have to move away from your cloud, and you can configure that and you can continue to use that while using zeeve for your blockchain management purpose. So these are some distinction factors and a lot of other features that puts us apart from what other people are.
तो अगर कोई क्योंकि हर बिज़नेस के पास इतने फंड्स नहीं होते कि वो सीधा ये सारी चीज़ें करना शुरू कर दे, या फिर कोई भी एक इनिशियल लेवल पे अगर एक या दो जनों का टीम मिलके प्रोजेक्ट रन करने वाली है, तो वो आपको रीच आउट कैसे करे? लाइक यू हैव वेबसाइट और ट्विटर के थ्रू जाए, और जैसे आपने बोला कि हम आप शुरुआत में फ्री, तो फ्री में प्रीमियम मॉडल पे भी चल रहा है लाइक टू कैप्चर द मार्केट। तो इस बारे में कुछ बताइए कि कैसे आपको रीच आउट करे लाइक फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट, और कैसे उसको यूज़ करें, और व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स दे हैव टू टेक लाइक baby steps to maturity level.
Yeah, so first of all, it's a fully SaaS platform. जहाँ पे you just sign in, and you can start using all the services. It's a subscription fee based platform, but for developers, for early startups, we've got most of the services which are fully free. So we've got 10 million API credits free for all kind of RPC protocols. You can use any protocol and continue to use it for free for a good time to come. 10 million API credits can help you with that. And even after that, our plans are very, very economical. You won't find cost structure like this anywhere else. In itself, we've got dedicated nodes. Hyperledger ke liye we provide a lot of free nodes that you can just set up and start using it for your own purposes. And even after that, we are very economic in that sense. Being your own cloud allows you to use your cloud credits while still continuing with zeeve. So that's another good thing that is very beneficial to startups.
How the hell did you do that? Like वो कैसे करा कि मतलब कि free credits भी use हो रहे हैं और वो भी?
So integrations, we've partnered up with so many clouds, AWS, GCP, Tencent is a recent one, DigitalOcean, Azure, that we had to do a lot of work to integrate them into our platform so that you as a person, as a company can just authorize your cloud account onto the platform, and all of the infrastructure automation will still happen. The nodes will run into your account itself. So a lot of hard work, but then it obviously pays off. And see, for enterprises, they don't like to move away from their cloud accounts. So we had a good reason to do it, being from the enterprise side. But we provide a lot of free credits and such, and we've got a very good series of YouTube channels, videos where you can see how to use the platform, and even in general knowledge about Web3 for different domains. You can follow us on LinkedIn. You can see our YouTube channel. We've got a good community on Discord that you can get a lot of information to build your ecosystem and use it for your own purpose.
सो दैट वाज रियली ग्रेट कि आपने इतनी सारी चीज़ें बताई, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसके अंदर आने वाले टाइम में और भी सारे ब्रांड्स या फिर प्रोजेक्ट्स, कॉर्पोरेट्स जुड़ने वाले हैं, और उनको पता ही नहीं है कि इस टाइप का ब्रांड एग्जिस्ट भी करता है. आई वुड से कि वो आने वाले टाइम के अंदर जैसे कि हाविंग साइकिल आने ही वाली है, तो और भी ज़्यादा लोग एजुकेट होंगे और अपने आप को इस चीज़ की तरफ टूवर्ड्स मूव करेंगे. सो इट वाज नाइस मीटिंग यू ब्रदर.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.